Hey guys, it's TJ from the Indy E Cigs team down here in Bloomington. We're going to go through the Chronus kit for you today. We're going to go through a little bit of troubleshooting and just simply a little rundown of the device to help you guys out. First and foremost, I'm going to show you guys how to assemble the tank. The Chronus kit comes with the Sigelei tank. I always, for me personally, I always take my tank off my device when I am putting my coils together. The reason why I always do this is because you don't want to cross thread, you don't want to over tighten, you don't want to do anything like that, because when you over tighten things, these O-rings will start to pinch, which will cause leaking. I always say go till it grabs and then just about a quarter turn past that. So I'm going to do that right now. So it grabs right about there. All right, so that's down in there. So you're going to take your top cap with your glass on there. You're just going to screw this guy together and do about the exact same thing whenever it starts grabbing, about a quarter turn past. And the reason why I'm doing this not on the tank is just to make sure that there's no cross threading or anything like that. And then what you're going to do is whenever you're ready to actually fill the tank up, there's this rim right here. You just got a nice little grip. You just want to unscrew this bad boy right here. And then right down that kidney hole right there is where you're going to fill up. I always say to fill it up about 3/4 of the way, leave a nice little air pocket in there. It definitely helps for the expansion of the juice thinning out and stuff like that, because on these hot summer days, your juice will heat up and it will thin out. When juice thins out, it only has one place to go, and that's out if there's not enough room for it to expand. All right, so now we're going to get into the nitty-gritty of the device. First and foremost, with the device, before you even turn it on, this is a dual 18650 device. This does not have internal batteries whatsoever, so you're going to need 2 of these bad boys. Right down here on the very bottom, you have your plus and your negative, so obviously line them up. Plus side is going to be the little nipple, flat side is going to be the negative. All right. So with this device, with a lot of devices out on the market, once you put the batteries in there, it is going to go ahead and turn on for you 90% of the time once you put new batteries in there. If it doesn't, all you have to do is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rapid clicks. So the device is now off. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your device is turning on. All right, so to adjust the watts on this guy, you're going to use this little joystick down here. It's a little pretty interesting little thing. To adjust your wattage, you're just going to press and hold up. This is a 200 watt device, so this goes all the way up to 200 watts. This guy does not round robin, so just giving you a heads up on that. And then scroll down on the joystick to adjust your watts. So long press to the right will show your resistance. Long press to the left will go into your actual settings. I always keep it on normal. It's a long press in the center to actually get to your actual menu. So you can go into your mode. So you have TCR, you have power, which 90% of most people use, is which you're just running your basic watts in. You have nickel, titanium, stainless steel, TCR, and power. So I'm just going to go ahead and reset this guy right back to power. And that's about it for the Chronus kit. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.